art friends! Today I'm going to draw another Hello Kitty in a horse costume to celebrate Chinese New Year. 2026 is the year of a horse, and I have a whole series of celebrating Chinese New Year on my main page, so if you're interested, go check it out. Now let's get started. Let's first start by drawing Hello Kitty's eyes. So we draw an oval. You can either shade it all in or leave a small spot for a highlight. And we are going to move across to right about here to draw a similar sized eye and shade it in. Then let's come to the middle to draw the nose. There. So now let's draw the face. So it's gonna dip slightly in the middle, like this. And then here, let's draw the bow. So I'm going to draw a curved line and a circle in the middle. And the other side of the bow. And let's add 2 loops. There. So now let's finish the rest of the face. So it's gonna come across like this. Goes up slightly, round it off, and bring it down. Okay, we're gonna stop in the middle and come to the other side. So I'm gonna pretend that this line goes here and let's see, so it will come out slightly to here and then it'll come down maybe right around here and bring this line back in towards the center and connect. There. So now let's draw the whiskers. It's gonna stay inside of the face because it's wearing a costume. And we're gonna draw this point across. So now that we have the face of Hello Kitty, let's come to the top and draw the costume. So right here, let me just draw a curved line that connects to the bow. And I'm gonna draw the eyes for the horse. And let's draw the nostrils. And finish it with a cute smile. Okay, so now let's come to the center. Let's draw the top of the costume. So it's going to be a bigger curve that goes around the head and comes back in towards the center. Now we're gonna do the other side. So draw this point across that comes out from here. Now let's draw the ears. So now we have the head ready. Now let's draw the body. So I'm going to draw a U shape. And then I'm gonna draw like an angled curve starting from here, round it off at the bottom. So this is the feet. Bring it back up, curve line, and then do the same on the other side. There. And now I'm going to add some wavy lines on the feet. This is a horse costume. And now let's add the arms. So from here, let's add an angle line that goes out. That stops right around here. And wavy lines in the hand. Now let's color it. And that's it. That's how to draw Hello Kitty in the cute horse costume. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. If you liked the video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and Happy Chinese New Year, everyone. I'll see you soon.